All right, nice little drop here on the YM. Looking for a divergent signal on the open of the next bar. Unless we hit another line of support, then it can be a speed tick. Same thing on the NQ. It's not oversold on the NQ, so I've got to have divergence. All right, got the NQ, not the YM. Here we go. Notice the momentum here. There's the first thing we're looking for. This hard drop, and then this sudden drop here with this bar that's longer than all the other bars, right? So we had a big hard drop all the way down to this line. We had a pullback alert, a ricochet, and a speed tick, and a major line of support that we haven't touched yet this session. So we're expecting to have some sort of reaction to that. We also had velocity, which just moved, but we had a velocity bar here. And we had a speed tick suggesting that this bar is being manipulated because the orders are coming through so fast. Now, what we don't have is an oversold condition, which is that other one more confluence of the potential for exhaustion. So I would not have traded this as a speed tick setup because of that. I need a little extra confluence personally. Now, some people don't, but I do. So I want to have this to be oversold unless this bar opens with a divergent signal, and that's what we have here. This is the McDiver. So in the open of this bar was a buy order, was a buy setup, and we only expect a pullback. Now here's a good example of why we don't put on runners or trailing stops. We're expecting, see, we have this little trend going here. We're expecting this to continue. I mean, I don't know whether it is or not, but you know, that's the whole theory behind trends, is that trends tend to continue, right? So we're just going to say that this is a short-term trend. You can see this on the moving average here, and that we expect it to continue. And all we're thinking, or all we're looking for, is our sweet spot here, this little pullback. That's our sweet spot. That's where we have a really strong set of indicators to help us understand and determine that this is very likely. Once this happens, though, it gets more speculative. So this is a good example here of why we don't do trailing stops and runners. We just hard target, hit our target, done, put money in the bank, and sit back and wait for the next opportunity that's as obvious as this nice little pullback here.